on for now. The exam 1 is completely on Blackboard. You'll answer the questions on Blackboard. It's very similar to the way that you would do the homework. It does have a segment similar to assignment 1 where you would upload something, a Word document. I'll go over that right now. I'm actually going to do an example of that as we're working. The exam, you have 2 times that you can take the exam. You have 2 attempts at the exam. You have between tonight at the end of class, when I'll make it available, until Sunday night at midnight to take your 2 attempts at the exam. You can use, it's open book. You can use the textbook. You can use any of the materials on Blackboard, lectures, the videos of the labs, the material we're reviewing today. You can use any of that material, but you have to work on your own. In other words, you can't have help from an outside person. You may post any questions that you have about the exam. In other words, that might be errors that you notice, typos, or something that doesn't make sense as an issue on problem number 7. You may post that to the discussions forums. Okay, I'll make sure that there's a spot there for questions on the exam. Don't send me an email because I want to answer those so that everybody can see them, so no one has an advantage over someone else, and so that I can answer the question once for everybody and not miss someone that may have been disadvantaged by not getting that hint or that direction or that correction or clarification. Okay, so post any questions about it on the discussions forums on Blackboard. As I said, you have 2 attempts at it. It is timed. From the time you start the exam, click begin, until the time it will automatically submit the exam, if you're not done, is 3 hours. And that's going to be more than enough time. Okay, and you have 2 attempts. When you complete the first attempt, you'll be able to go back to the grading section, see, it won't let you see your grade most likely because it'll wait for me to check the document that you uploaded. It won't grade completely automatically, but it should allow you to see your grade for the rest of the items on there. Plus, I'm going to, at least once a day, I'll be going back to go through the exams and to grade those portions of it. You'll be able to see whether you got a question right or wrong, but you won't be able to see what the correct answer is. So after you finish the first part of after you finish your first attempt at the exam, say you get an 80% on it, you have 3 or 4 issues that you had on there, you'll be able to take it again and try that again and focus on the part that you had an issue with. Okay, and you'll have time until Sunday at midnight, actually probably Sunday at 9 o'clock if you're going to retake the exam, because it'll kick you off at midnight probably. You'll have another attempt. The only thing that Blackboard won't let you do is won't let you see your previous answer that you submitted, most likely. So as you go through it, you might want to save your work or copy it or make notes of it for different problems, so you can go back and just concentrate on the things that you got wrong on the first attempt. Okay, so, and then when we're done on Monday, it'll give us an opportunity to see how well we did on the first exam. So what kind of progress we're making and move forward from there.